morning, guys, from the beautiful islands of the Philippines. It is Saturday. I've been wanting to come up here to the LTO and get my driver's license. I got it renewed, almost a year and a half ago, but at the time they didn't have the plastic driver's license. They gave me a blue slip, which allowed me to drive here legally and everything. And I'm up here now picking up my license. It's Saturday, like I said. Everybody kept saying, come up Saturday, come up Saturday. So I'm up here Saturday, and you know what? Unbelievable. I've walked in here during the week and the place is packed. People sitting all over the place, people sitting outside waiting. Saturdays, they only issue cards here, your driver's license here. They do not process anything here. They do not do anything here on a Saturday but issue driver's license. I'm telling you guys, this has surpassed customer service here. What do I mean by that? Dude, I walked in here. Let me see how far I can go. I walked in here and I was the only one in here. In and out in less than 5 minutes. You can see everything is closed. The only thing that is open is around the corner there on the left-hand side. The windows there, the guys are there, and all they're doing, like I said, is issuing out driver's license. But this is the shortest, quickest process I have done here in the Philippines. And guys, like I said, if you're in Angeles City and you need to pick up a license, or you need, pick up a license, because they're not doing anything else but that here. Come down here on a Saturday, no waiting, no nothing. And you know what? There's not even anybody here. Like I said, only a license. You can't even get, because you need to get a physical when you get your license or apply for your license. And they do that right here in this medical clinic. There is nobody even here for you to do that. The only one that is here is this lonely little doggy. Even the vendors aren't here. Nobody's set up here. I just keep on wanting to trip. Even your insurance people, they're not even here today. So, anyways, guys, a little cloudy out today. I think I was seeing something online where there's some big storm brewing out at sea and we're going to be affected by it. So anyways, I guess it's time to head back to the store. Alright guys, I am up here at the McDonald's by the walking street. I gotta go into Vape Society. They used to be open 24/7, but they changed their hours now. They're only open 12 hours a day. It's either 10 to 10 or 10:30 to 10:30, something like that. But I'm just sitting up here people watching, so I'll set the camera up and you guys can people watch right along with me. All right, guys, I'm back at the store right now, as you can see. Check this out. Hannah Grace is sitting here, and she is eating fish and rice, and she's got 3 visitors keeping her company while she's eating her fish and rice. Oh, Liberty's watching her. Nine-Eye Cat talking to her. Meanie Cat over there, and there is still no justice. But this is her company, and they're talking to her. What are they saying, Hannah Grace? They want some fish? Is that what they're saying?
Yes.
Yeah, they want some fish.
They're hungry.
They're hungry. They want fish.
Will you just feed them?
Well, look, said she just feed them. But anyways, guys, I am back here at the store. It's kind of warm out. Sun came out. It's kind of warm. They said there's some type of typhoon or something.
They said that gonna be on Monday or Tuesday will be landing in the responsible area.
What area?
I don't know.
In the Philippines?
Yeah.
Oh.
They said be ready for any announcement about school.
Yeah, I know we got somebody. They said something about being ready for announcements at school, because I don't know where this thing is landing. Or is it even landing in the Philippines?
It is.
I thought it was out to sea, but it's drawing so much moisture that it's...
Yeah, they said they're supposed to be, some people will get the what's that announcement from us, but
Right.
they said there will be a circle being a typhoon, and I think it's 5. But I read that one.
I don't know. Explain what's going on now. Of course, you can see she's taking herself a little siesta. Trying to.
What's that one? Like I tried to read it earlier. They're saying about they will going to landfall here in the Philippines. Some people said, they said that they're not gonna be a typhoon, and they changed it. They said the people don't get what the Pag-asa was trying to say is it will be gonna be a rain. It's gonna be a typhoon, and they said it might be landfall in the Philippines.
Oh.
But because together with the what's that called?
I don't know.
They said you have the sea in the sea.
What, drawing water from the ocean?
That's the reason why they have a lot of we expect to have like floods and raining too heavy, just like that.
So we're supposed to get rain and stuff like that next week. What, Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday?
Monday, 9 or 10. And that's
9 or
what they
10.
said, expect for any announcement.
Yeah, so the schools, they might have to close because of the rain and everything like that. What do you think about that, Hannah Grace? School closing? Yeah. And Sheila's here, everybody. Hi, Sheila.
It's getting beautiful.
Yeah.
We have a secret remedy now. Secret.
Wait, they have a secret remedy
Yes.
for their face now.
Yes.
What is it?
That's used by 200 BC. And
It was what?
Cleopatra.
200 BC.
Yeah, BC. That's used before 200 BC, and that's what Cleopatra did.
What is that?
That's approved by DFA and USA. Oatmeal.
Oatmeal faces. They're doing oatmeal faces.
Oatmeal mask.
Oatmeal mask. Are you going to use the new oatmeal I bought?
No, I'm going to eat it. I'm trying to be healthy now because I want to be sexy and skinnier. So my dinner will be oatmeal.
Oh, hey, by the way, look, before anybody says anything, I was up at the vape shop this morning, all right?
Yeah.
And while I was waiting, I was filming Walking Street, and I was filming the girls that were walking like up and down not at the end of Walking Street there at McDonald's, you know what I'm talking about, and I was filming them girls there. So what do you think about that?
It's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah, you can film in public. Who said you can't?
No, what do you think about me filming the girls? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Oh, you're not going to get mad or jealous? Or...
No, because I trust you.
Yeah.
I've never been jealous in my life, or even yours when we get married. First of all, I married you and you know what your promise for me, and I trust you at all.
Right.
But I know some people I can't trust.
Well, you know, some people are going to sit there and say, does Lut know you're up there? Did you sneak up there? And no, Matter of fact,
First
I
of
was
all,
texting her and I
know
told her where I was at.
I know everything where you go because you sent me a message.
Right. All right, guys. So I don't know. We're just gonna hang out here. They're gonna do some oatmeal facing, and since Cleopatra did it, I guess you know it's they can do it also. All right, now explain how you're doing your little oatmeal mask.
Oh, you put little bit of honey,
Right.
put little bit of water, then mix it and put in your face.
And that's
it's gonna
it?
be mask.
And then how long do you leave it on?
Oh, it doesn't matter.
Doesn't
Even
matter.
if you scrub it a little bit, and then after that, you just wash it.
Now, do you scrub it onto your face
Yeah, like that.
like Cleopatra?
Yeah,
Oh.
like Cleopatra.
All right, so there's the finished product, oatmeal face.
Bleh.
Oatmeal face, what?
Yes, I would become Cleopatra.
Are you gonna turn into Cleopatra?
Yes.
Wow, look at you.
So you get the beautiful wife.
All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up. Starting to rain. I don't know, it's about 5:30, somewhere around there. I just looked on the news and they're talking about this typhoon that's like north, I guess, how would you say, northwest, the Philippines, out in the ocean, but evidently it's so big it's just drawing energy from all over the place. And Monday we're supposed to get a lot of rain. Manila, Central Luzon, and other places here. So Hannah Grace is excited for the fact that she thinks they're not going to have snow. But we'll see. I guess you could say it's like living in Pennsylvania and anticipating a snowstorm and anticipating school not happening because of the snowstorm, but she's anticipating no rain or no school because of the rain. So anyways, guys, that's what's going on. It was a good day today. Excellent morning this morning. I said, you know what, I think God was smiling on me this morning when I got to the LTO and there was 0 people in queue in front of me. So started out good day. It's going to end a good day. If you haven't subscribed, take the time to subscribe. Like, share, dislike. Leave the comments below. Like I said, I read everyone. You know what, guys? Oh, before I go, I wanted to tell you how to subscribe or stop by. How you doing? His name was Fail. Fail from Oman. Oman? Oman? Is that it? Oman. I guess that's how you say it. Super great guy, super awesome guy. It was great to sit and talk with him and tell me about his country and show me different things about his country. So anyways, guys, tomorrow's a new day. Journey continues and we'll see you then.